We got a Samsung 65-inch curved TV today. This is a Brooklyn job. This is the model number right over here. The model number is here. Now, the complaint for this TV was that they got lights, they got everything, sound, but there was no video on the screen. But the backlights were shining. So that leads me to believe that it's this board right here. This board generates the voltages for the screen, the scan voltages and everything, and it's passed down to all these drivers right here. See now, each one of these little chips here, these drivers here, and they can short out. Now what happened with this TV is that, excuse me, what happened with this TV is that one of these went bad, and when one of these short out, it took the whole line out, and it caused the TV to not work. So we're about to see now if that's the only problem.